I cannot believe I literally just found out how to convert your videos to audio no matter how long it is without ever leaving your computer to any website or installing any application. Like it's completely free. In fact, this tool already lives in your computer. Now run over to your computer apps and open VLC. Yes, we are not just going to use VLC to watch videos and movies today. We are going to do something cool with it. There is no limit as to the length of file you can convert to VLC, unlike other commercial conversion tools where you'll be either asked to sign up or subscribe when you get past your limits of 10 minutes or 15 minutes video. This one will just take a video directly from your files and convert it to audio for free. Also, do not have to wait for long hours just to get your video uploaded and then start converting. In just split seconds, you're going to get your video converted to audio using VLC. Your VLC interface, all you have to do is to go over to media and go to convert and save. Then you have to choose the video you want to convert. You can just click on this add button and then this should take you to your files, and then you get to select a video no matter how long it is. Let's select this video and then you go over to convert and save. This is the point where you get to choose what file you are converting it to. Because I had used this tool before, it is automatically on audio, but you probably see meteors like this, so you just have to go down and click on audio mp3, and you can also see the file options they have here. It does not have to be audio. If you want other files for your video, this is a very good opportunity to convert or enhance quality either ways. Now click on mp3 and then browse on the folder you want the results to be. Let's leave mine at downloads. Save this here and do start, and that's it. Your audio is converted. Please let me know if this video was helpful, and if you want to get tips like this, just click on this playlist and get more video tips here.